let's talk a little bit about Gritty Spanish Beginnings. And I'm going to use episode number 7 from this package to demonstrate. This episode is called Company Party, or in Spanish, Fiesta de la Empresa. As in every version of Gritty Spanish, you have the synopsis, which gives you a quick overview of what the story is about, the list of characters and where they're from, the names of the characters, and of course you have the Spanish and the English side by side. And at the very end of the story, there's a section in this version, it's called Breaking It All Down. So let's go back up to the top and let's get the story started.
Realmente estoy disfrutando esta fiesta, Rosy. Es la mejor fiesta que ha tenido la empresa en años.
No lo creo. Creo que la fiesta del año pasado estuvo mucho mejor.
Alright, so let's pause here. So Rosy, the female in this story, she says, no lo creo. And if you want to find out what no lo creo means, you simply have to look on the right side of the transcript, and it says, I don't think so. Alright, and this phrase is on the line, so that means it's clickable. And when it's clicked, it takes you down here to that breaking it all down section, and it explains what it means. So you have creo, which means I believe, and it says that it comes from the verb creer, to believe. And it gives you some information here, and it compares pensar, which is to think, with creer, which is to think and to believe at the same time. But it explains the differences as well. And whenever you're done reading, you can click on this button to take you right back up to the story, to the same exact point in the story. Okay, so let's click play again to commence.
¿Eso crees? Bueno, el lugar era mejor, pero creo que en general la fiesta de este año es mejor.
Sí, todos estaban bailando el año pasado. También tuvieron mejores bebidas.
Okay, same thing as this word here, tuvieron. So you can click on it, tuvieron. And of course, it will explain where this verb comes from and how it's used and such. So let's click up here again to go back into the story. And you can just simply hit play again.
Este año tienen tragos baratos.
No estoy de acuerdo contigo. ¿Escuchas la
Alright, and that's my quick demonstration of Gritty Spanish Beginnings. Also, I'd like to mention that with each and every version of Gritty Spanish, there's also a slower version. So for example, I'm going to play the slower version of the same story. Slower version of the audio. So let's get that one cracking too.
Realmente estoy disfrutando esta fiesta, Rosy. Es la mejor fiesta que ha tenido la empresa en años.
No lo creo. Creo que la fiesta del año pasado estuvo mucho mejor.
So do you hear the difference in the speed? And I have it open up on my desktop, and I open up each one separate. I open up the audio, I moved it to the right side, and I open up the transcript, and I moved it to the left. And that's how it works. All right, thank you for listening, and have a good one.